talk about some springs. So the springs we installed were Steeda lowering springs. They're advertised for 1 inch of drop in the front and 1.5 inches of drop in the rear. They are progressive style coil, which means that the top of the coil has a little bit of a dampening area, which absorbs all of these kind of like little bumps. The fronts are 195 pounds per inch of a spring rate, and the rears are 240 pounds per inch. That's about 24 pounds stiffer in the front and about 57 pounds stiffer in the rear. Overall, the ride quality of it isn't that bad. They do offer a much more aggressive handling characteristic for the vehicle. Less wheel hop, less nosedive under harder braking, less body roll. That reduces the understeer considerably. And the overall handling is just so much better. With these springs, it offers a lifetime warranty. Unfortunately, trying to find springs for my vehicle, because it is a 2013 and it's the older style strut, it was a lot harder to find these springs and use the stock struts. Luckily, everything for my vehicle was in very good condition. I didn't have to replace anything. So for the fronts, you have to modify the bump stops. You have to pull about 1 inch of bump stop out, just so it's not smacking as you're driving. But overall, as a first-time Steeda lowering spring review, I highly recommend them.
I wish I knew